Welcome everyone. Today, we have news coming from Intel. Last summer, Intel announced its entry into the graphics card market by teasing a line of GPUs based on the Alchemist architecture. During this summer announcement, Intel pledged that graphics cards would arrive on the market marked by a chronic shortage from the first quarter of this year 2022. In a press release published in the wake of the meeting with its investors, Intel nuanced the release schedule for its first graphics cards. Initially, GPUs will be integrated by laptop manufacturers into their machines. The first stage is still scheduled for the first quarter, before the end of March 2022, explained Intel in a press release published on February 17, 2022. Intel's partners will have privileged access to the group's GPUs. On the other hand, the graphics cards will only be sold separately on the market in the second quarter of the current year, says the semiconductor giant. PC gamers looking to upgrade or complete their setup with an Intel GPU will have to wait until at least April. Initially, Intel had planned to release the graphics cards in the first quarter, without distinguishing between GPUs sold separately and GPUs integrated into computers from its partners. The shortage of computer chips, deficiencies in production lines, and the resurgence of the pandemic in parts of Asia have probably forced the company to revise its plans by favoring PC manufacturers. Finally, Intel has also announced the arrival of a service that will allow you to take advantage of the power of its GPUs remotely, thanks to the cloud, called Project Endgame. The project will enable users to access Intel Arc GPUs through a service for an always accessible, low-latency computing experience by the end of the year. Intel aims to deliver more than 4 million Alchemist GPUs in 2022, all segments combined. To put this quantity in perspective, know that according to data from Jon Peddie Research, more than 40 million desktop graphics cards were released in 2021.